Hello. We had an engine issue. I'm boatless again. And I am officially giving up on crossing the fucking Atlantic. Oh man, I'm so lost right now. I feel like I don't want to be anywhere and I don't want to do anything, you know, like... I mean, what's the point? Nice. After my crossing got called off, I joined the gang of failed hitchhikers. Max, with 3 failed attempts, was the club president. He didn't seem too upset about it. As long as he had a guitar, he was happy walking the docks and hiking around. I wasn't. Or sometimes I was. Constantly torn between enjoying my time with all the cool people I met and feeling stuck in the same marina for over a month now. I wasn't just looking for a boat to cross, but even for a day trip to another island, nobody wanted to take me. At some point, the rejection started getting to me. I enjoyed the days, the friendships, the little art projects and jam sessions. But at nights, all I wanted was to get away. I took a chance as soon as I could, moving in the opposite direction, but for fuck's sake, at least I was moving. Finally on the ocean, sailing 7 knots with full sails, chasing dolphins into the perfect sunset. When we went out of the port, I felt my soul settle down inside my body, and I just knew that wherever I end up, however long it takes, I had to chase that feeling. I had to sail.
Hitchhiking at 2 a.m., how does it feel?
Well, very unsuccessful so far, but you never know. Never know.
Like we have
right now it's feeling way better. Oh my god.
Vamos, Alice!
When I was in Las Palmas, I met this girl. Her name is Alice. She's French. I don't know if you guys met her.
Oh my god, you know Alice.
Yes, you know her?
Yeah, the captain, eh?
Yeah, Metanoia. We went to carnival together.
Oh no.
And she was dancing barefoot, you know, in like an Indian dress for belly dancing. and she walks through Las Palmas like it's her fucking city. And then we get to the carnival and she starts swinging. Oh, Alice, what a star. A truly free spirit. Together with Levin, we stayed on her boat for a couple of nights. How do I describe Levin?
Okay, cigarette?
He's a skater slash surfer who knows like 2 magic tricks and is just really damn fun to hang out with.
It is, right? Yeah.
So you have to turn the paraffin into vapour for it to then come out and burn at the top.
Ah, good.
So you have to heat the bottom, you have to...
Together we got picked up by the majestic African queen. She's 22 tons of pure, wholesome energy and delicious vegan food. Andrew and Monty sail like true-born pirates and have plans to circumnavigate the world after spending the summer home in the UK.
From the moment I stepped on board, I felt cozy and warm, almost like being home.
It's a video. Yeah.
Hey. Skabada-ba-ba-da. Hey. Bada. Oh. Bada. Skippity-pitty-pitty-beep-beep. Hey. Oh. Skippity-pitty-beep-beep-beep-beep-beep-beep. Pitty-pitty-beep. Yeah. Yeah.
I like to wake up for sunrises. I like that they come with no rush. First, the sky turns to grey, slowly dimming the faintest stars, and then, when you least expect it, it explodes with a sudden burst of color. At calm seas, the glow, the burning skies, and the sun itself are doubled. Rocking gently side to side, I sat cuddled under a blanket, letting my sleepy brain unfold dusty memories. All the sunrises I've seen, all the ideas I had, my direction. And as we came into port on the eastmost island of the archipelago, I knew it was time to turn back.
Tak te zdjęcia nie oddadzą tej szóstki na morzu.
No, pewnie nie. Ale przechył widać.
Michał is a Polish sailor who treats me a little bit too much like a daughter. With him, I finally got some tougher conditions and had the time of my life, crashing into 3-meter waves, hand steering all the way.
Ale za nami chlupnęło.
Now the second part starts where you feel your heart. Just stay.
Max, t'es eu Max, ça ou pas? Parce que là, Max, c'est vraiment un robot du siècle.
What?
Ah, c'est Max, toi.
In La Gomera, I reunited with my sailing family, Caro, my Belgian sister, and the love of my life, her dog Cartouche. For 2 months, I've been promising to visit them, and even though we haven't seen each other for over a year, it felt as if I had never left.
Cartouche. Ça va.
You have to go over. It's normal, your ass doesn't fit here. You have to go like this.
Well, yeah, but even then.
Come on, you can't feel bad about yourself. You're so pretty, and you went running.
Exactly.
Caro is not only a badass solo sailor, but a real creative soul. She inspires me in so many ways, and staying with her felt like a creative retreat. chilling in the coziness of Nico's boat, while a 2-week storm hailed around the Canary Islands.
Directly this one on? Yeah?
Make it sense? I don't know.
It makes sense, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have your phone with you? Oh, but you guys are not gonna leave tomorrow, I guess.
No, yeah, I can show you some.
Yeah, if we meet and you have your phone on you, I would love to see it because...
Yeah, it's actually, even in the phone it's difficult to show, but for me it's very difficult to describe actually.
It's a lot of emotion, no? Like getting out through your body and through the dance, so I understand it's hard to describe.
Yeah.
It must be amazing to manage to share your emotion differently than like now. If we want to discuss, we talk about emotion, but there you're dancing through your emotion and you share it with other people. Wow, it's so impressive.
Yeah, I think it's amazing that you don't care what people feel. Like, I wish there are some moments when I feel this free, but they're very rare, Like when you can just completely let go and just let it out.
Yeah,
like
true. I'm impressed.
It's so rare, like, and some people, they just don't see the outside world when they dance. They just go completely out and they are just inside, like, and I admire them so much.
Yeah. I have to say the only time I manage to do that is when I'm completely drunk. Which is quite sad because it would be nice to be able to feel free, like you say, not care about everybody else looking at you. That's the point I reach when I'm drunk. I don't care anymore, and then I dance and
For me, I have to be really happy. And like so happy that like if you're drunk, you don't care if you're sober, you don't care. You're just so fucking happy, and then you just. But these are such rare moments.
But here on the boat I have my mornings and then in the afternoon I can...
Okay,
so there is some balance.
It's not all day long you're surrounded by people, you have also your moment alone, that's good.
And I'm still meeting wonderful people. So.
This is not a vacation trip. This is my life. And if this journey is gonna last years, I'm gonna feel directionless at times. It's okay. It's part of it. Changing plans is part of it. If last year was about learning to travel alone, this one is gonna teach me something new. I don't know what it is yet. Maybe this one is all about appreciating the beautiful people around me. After all, it's not always about where I am, but who I'm with. People over places. The sad thing is to fully realize that I had to lose them first. Say the last farewell even to the ones who have been with me from the beginning. And find my own way through the ocean, land or sky. Simply starting to walk forward.
I'm trying to stop recording and just hike. There's a freaking rainbow.
No way.
Oh my exes, I'm lacking dead. But I will try my best.
So how I got the boat, I was ready to give up and I didn't know who to call. So I called Levin and he didn't pick up. And then I called Max and Max told me, Gosia, shut the fuck up. There is this couple who looks like Jack Sparrow. He just posted on Facebook. Text him and see what happens. And I did. And he said yes. And And then I called Max, and he was screaming on the phone for 2 minutes. Like, I swear, I just said I got the boat, and then he was just like, wah! So it's all thanks to Max. Oh my god, what a wild fucking ride.